Hello students, as we have already discussed conservation of momentum, now I will again explain it. See, in conservation of momentum, there are two masses. One is m1, another is m2. m1 is moving with u1 velocity, m2 is moving with u2 velocity. And after collision, m1 will move with v1 velocity, m2 will move with v2 velocity. Now what is conservation of momentum? m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. It is the conservation of momentum. Sum of initial momentum equals to sum of final momentum. So we have already discussed the derivation of it in last video, which is available in YouTube. You can see. Now we will discuss this example. Example 9.6. A bullet of mass 20 gram is horizontally fired with a velocity 150 meter per second from a pistol of mass 2 kg. What is the recoil velocity of the pistol? It is very simple question. See, mass of bullet is 20 gram converted into kilogram, 20 upon 1000. So you will get 0.02 kg. Mass of pistol 2 kg. Initial velocity of bullet u1 and pistol u2 equal to 0. Final velocity of bullet fired with a velocity 150 meter per second. The direction of bullet is taken from left to right, positive to right. Total momentum of pistol and bullet before the fire 2 plus 0.02 multiply by 0 means 0. m1 u1 plus m2 u2. u1 is 0, u2 is 0, that's why total momentum, initial momentum is 0. Total momentum of pistol and bullet after it is fired, yes, see 0.02 mass of the bullet, velocity of the bullet, so m1 v1 plus mass of the gun 2 into v. Understand? Now 0 equal to 3 plus 2v. Now you can calculate v, which is minus 1.5 meter per second. This is the diagram of this explanation. Example 9.7. A girl of mass 40 kg jumps with a horizontal velocity of 5 meter per second onto a stationary cart with frictionless wheels. The mass of the cart is 3 kg. Mass of the cart 3 kg. What is her velocity as the car starts moving? Assume that there is no external unbalanced force working in the horizontal direction. Let v be the velocity of the girl on the cart as the cart starts moving. Total momentum of girl and cart before the interaction 40 into 5 plus 3 into 0. Calculate 200. After interaction 40 plus 3 multiply by v, 43 into v. Now 200 equal to 43v, we can calculate v. Example 9.8. Two hockey players of opposite team trying to hit hockey ball. One has mass 60 kg moving with velocity 5. Other person moving with velocity 6 has mass 55 kg. In which direction and in what velocity will they move after they become entangled? This is the solution of this. Total momentum m1 plus m2 into v. See students, we have discussed the basic, and so I will give the suggestion that you will solve this question by yourself and check what you have understood. Understand? So solve yourself. This is the summary of this chapter. First law of motion: an object continues to be in state of rest or of uniform motion along a straight line unless acted upon by unbalanced force. Natural tendency of object is register change in their state of rest or uniform motion is called inertia. So all these things we have already discussed. So thank you so much. Now in next lecture we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. Thank you.